All right, let's jump right into it, you guys. So this is the original pattern that I just did on the top of my head. I did this about a week ago and I never wrote the pattern down, so I actually don't know exactly what I did. I just know that I did half double crochet for the center, and then all the outsides of these are the same. So the only difference between these three, and you can choose whichever one you want because they're all the same except the center beginning. Okay, so we're going to be doing this one today, which is just single crochet for the center. This one's half double crochet for the center, and then this one is double crochet for the center. So that's the only difference. I honestly don't necessarily, I don't know if it's the yarn or just the half double crochet, I don't know, but this isn't my favorite, so that's why I'm not going to show you how to do the half double crochet version. But if you do like this, go ahead and do half double crochet. Just follow my lead in this video. I love these. They're slightly bigger than this one, but I like the size of this. So we're going to be doing this one. So what you're going to need is a size 4.5 millimeter hook. I'm using worsted 4-weight yarn. Of course, you're going to need your earring holder and then your metal tapestry needle, and of course some scissors. So we're gonna go ahead and get started by making a magic ring. So that's the same step if you're doing double crochet or single crochet for the center. Okay, so I made my magic ring, and I'm gonna go ahead and single crochet 12 in the 12 single crochets in the center hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. Once you've made 12, you're not going to pull the tail to close the center, just a little bit. And then you're going to slip stitch on the top of that first single crochet. Okay, so now we're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to slip stitch on the top of the next single crochet space, just like that. From there, we're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, we're going to slip stitch on the top of the next single crochet. And you're going to repeat this in the round. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch, and repeat this in the round. Once you have 11, you're going to go ahead and cut a good sized tail. Pull it through. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and zoom in so I can show you guys how I do how I weave in my ends. So first I like to start with the center tail, so I'm just going to close that a little bit more. I'm going to knot it. and then just weave it in. The middle like that, and that should be good. Okay, now attach your tapestry needle to the long tail. And what we're going to do is insert our needle through the bottom. So the tail's attached to this petal. We're going to insert it through the bottom right side of the next tail. Just like that. We're going to flip our work. And then I like to just make a knot. Another knot. And then I like to weave it under a few loops, just like that. And then up one side of the petal. And once you've made it to the top of that petal, we're going to put the needle towards the front. So this is the front side. Pull. And then we're going to take our needle, insert it through the right side. Why is this not going through? Okay. Okay. Wrap it around the left side to the back. And then back through the right side. Okay. And then down the middle. This part isn't necessary, but I'm just going to do it. You can just double knot it. Okay. And then I just go down the side again under the loops to hide the tail. And there you have it. So again, like I said, this is the same exact process for the petals. The only thing that's different is the center. So I single crocheted 12 in the center magic ring, and for these ones I double crocheted 12 in the center magic ring. That's the only difference between the two. So these are slightly bigger, and I actually love these, but I love the size. So you technically, if you use smaller weight and a smaller crochet hook, you'll be able to make this style in this size, but right now I only have a 4.5 millimeter hook. I don't have anything smaller than that. So yeah, So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It'll help your girl out. Don't forget to subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this 7-day earring series. I thought it was super fun, and as I come up with 7 new patterns, I will plan to do another series with you guys in the future. So thank you for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.